Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got an enormous mixed media art set. It's from Boldmere, or rather it's by Boldmere. It says premium art materials Boldmere, the artist's choice, so the artist's choice. And it's mixed media. It's got 83 pieces in it, and there are tons of things in it. So it's a 1x A4 artist sketch pad, 1x wooden sturridge case, 28x watercolor pencils, 12x watercolor cakes, 12x sketching pencils, that's B26B, HB, H25H, 10x artist brushes, 1x metal sharpener, 1x plastic palette, 8x acrylic paints, 1x potty eraser, 8x oil paint pastels. So we're unboxing this together today, so let's go straight into the unboxing. So it does come in a wooden case like this. I hope you can see it. It's in a wooden case. I hope you can see it. That's the wooden case it comes in. I'm going to open that gradually. Give me a second, I'll get something to open it. Okay, so I'll just poke it with a pencil there. And that's me unraveling it. So, place that back down. That just comes off really easy. Okay, I'll just lift it up and take it. Perfect. So I guess they put these black edges for some kind of protection over the box. So I'll take that off as well. The 4 of these at the sides. Put everything to the side. So wow, there we've got it. And then open this. So it's good like there. Wow, there we go. I'll need to show you this side first. So I take it these are the pencils that was written on the box, because it said 12x sketching pencils, B26B, HB, H25H, and these are the sketching pencils. Oh my gosh, where's the eraser? Oh, there's the sharpener. I was wondering what happened to it, but I got one without a sharpener. But the sharpener's in there just out of place. I guess that's what was making the sound in the box. So I don't know how they placed that back in. Well, the sharpener's in there, so, and I guess this is the putty razor, or you can call it a moving razor. Then on the other side, or right in the middle rather, I see a brush has moved from its placement. I'll put that back there. And this is, in here we've got A4 artist sketch pad. On this side we have the brushes, so they range from a size 3 to a 12, so that should be a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and obviously 2 and 12. And these are the brushes. They did say there were 12 is it 10? Okay, 10 artist brushes, and they're here. So that's that. I'm gonna bring back to the middle. I'll close that for a minute because we've got another compartment, you see. Oh, this is where we've got the paint, and these are the, I hope you can see it, these are the acrylic paints, and I think there are 8 of those. So 8 acrylic paints, there they are. I can see them in the colours black, red, that red, orange, green, red, yellow, blue, a lighter yellow, lemon yellow it says, and a white. What else have we got in here? Oh, they did say there'll be some watercolor cakes, and these are the watercolor cakes, 12 of them. So in pink, yellow, blue, dark green, red, orange, lighter blue, green, a lighter green, a brown, a yellow, purple, violet, and then black. And then these are the is that a watercolor pan? You can mix them on there. So that's in there as well. Slide that back in, and then we've got the, oh, I see, these are tons of the watercolor pencils. I don't know if you can see, oh, I should have put that out for the other compartment. Okay, we'll do that later. So we've got here 28 watercolor pencils, and here we've got the that's the 8X, that's 8 oil pastels there. So that's that. I'll bring out the other compartment so you can see it properly, and then this. So I did show it to you the other time, but probably just need to be a bit more. So like I said, these are the acrylic paints, that's the watercolor cake, and that's the watercolor mixing pan. And that's it really. So this is an 83 piece mixed media set by Boldmere, and they say it's an artist's choice. I'm going to give it a try, see how it goes. I'll let you know. Oh, the sharpener's out of place again. So that's it really. I hope you can see it. I'll slide them all out as much as I can, so you can have, and that's it. Oops, there we go. So that's that really. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for your time.